Good evening friends, I'm Meera Chawla. I'm making this video, it's thanks to my teacher Asha ji. Today I'm planning to make a smoothie using some fruits. I will just show you the ingredients. These are all my ingredients. They are mango, basil leaf which is from my garden, and this is almonds, this is chia seeds, this is coconut water, and the main ingredients in this is banana. I've added the banana in the blender. I'm adding the mangoes also. Adding the basil leaves and some chia seeds in it. Adding the almonds too. I'm adding coconut water in it. You can add water too if you don't have coconut water. And this I will just blend it in the mixie. Here I have blended this in the mixie. Now you got to pour it in the glass. So here is the smoothie. This is really delicious and healthy, and it's really yum. You must try it. It's really yum. Do try it. Thank you for watching the video.